Let us start with lesson 1.4, subtract integers. We'll start with subtract integers. At first, they have used a number line to explain you. And later on, example, a football team gains 3 yards. What is the meaning of gain? Gaining means it is plus 3 on first down. On the second down, they lose 8 yards. So 3 minus 8. What is 3 minus 8? Of course, 3 minus 8. If I ask you 3 minus 8, what will you do? You have one positive and one negative.
One negative.
So how are you doing it? If they ask you 3, that they gain 3 yards, and then they lose 8 yards. So 3 minus 8. What one is positive, the other is negative. So of course you will minus it, subtract it. 8 minus 3 is 5. Don't forget, what is your last sentence? Sign of the bigger number. This is very important. If you don't do this, I'm going to give you wrong. Yes, if in the quiz you will have, you will have a positive and negative given there. So if you choose the wrong answer, of course you will lose marks. See that you choose the sign of bigger number. Now here. Okay. On the next play, the team gained 5 yards and then lost 6 yards. Okay. What is the total change? Previously, how much did they get? Total change in the yards. So they say that they gained 5 yards, it's plus 5. And then they lose 6 yards. Okay, why did they give? Plus means I think they have to write this one. I think girls, wait a second. Because it is 5 plus minus 6. As plus and minus gives minus, just wait a minute. Yes. Girls, how do you get minus 6 when it's a plus sign? That means you have to put a parenthesis and a minus sign, right? Then only you get 5 minus 6. And what is 5 minus 6, Lean? 1 and sign? Are you sure? It will be minus 1, negative 1. It's negative 1. Did you get it, Malak? First, yes. First they go 5 and then they come back 6. So how much it is? Minus 1. They go 5 and they come back 6. So 5 minus 1 is, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So the total change in the yard is minus 1. How many had a loss of 1 yard? They had a loss of 1 yard. Loss of 1 yard means it's understood that this is minus 1. Loss of 1 yard. I'm just writing it again clearly. The total change was minus 1. That means it is loss of 1 yard. Any questions?
No, miss.
No. Ghalia, welcome Ghalia. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi.
Okay. So shall I start asking you all questions? Go to next page. Write today's date, girls. Don't forget to write today's date. Page 27. Page 27. Ghalia, leave the examples. Just tell me the first one, that is number A, minus 4 minus 6. What is the rule I have taught you?
The same signs you have to add.
Okay, tell me what is
On
your
different side you subtract.
okay
Your minus.
So it's 10 because you told me I have to add. How about the sign?
Positive. Positive.
No, you will take the sign of bigger number. Please remember this in addition and subtraction.
Yeah, okay.
Kind of bigger number. Please, if you put, wrong, the whole question goes wrong. The whole answer goes wrong. So the bigger number is 6. What is next to 6? Minus.
Yeah.
So here is minus 10. How I got it? I wrote here. Number B. Yes, Malak? Minus 6.
Minus 6.
One second, I will do it. Now, see, girls, be very careful. Minus 6. This means multiplication. This means like this, parents, you'll multiply the signs. Negative and negative, what do you get? Positive 4. Again, see, till the last class, I was teaching you like this. So it is minus 6 and minus 4, right? Because plus and minus, positive and negative gives you negative. But here, negative multiplied by negative will always give you positive value. Negative, and you don't see the sign of bigger number, all that. Positive. Yes. Positive. Same sign, anything, same sign, it will give you positive. Okay. Now, why I had not put the sign of bigger numbers? Because this is multiplied. The minus sign is multiplied to minus sign again. In multiplication, we just directly put the positive sign. You might get confused. Simple. Just see that when I'm opening the parenthesis, I say minus and minus. Negative and negative will give you positive. Now, Vatin, can you solve this now? Yes, excellent. Why minus 2? Because sign of the bigger number. Malak, did you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, number C, Aline. What should I write? 4. This one. Very good. 4 plus 6. Why do I write plus, girls? Because my minus and minus. Negative is negative. Negative and negative is multiplied to get a positive. And then you write 6. Positive again. Same sign. 10. So your answer is? Understood? No. Here you will see the values of this one. You will see the values of this step. Not the first step. Okay? Because now your question is this. Even here, see? Now, D. Ghalia, 6 minus 4 is how much? 6 minus 4.
Minus 4.
Positive 6, negative. Again.
Positive 2. No, negative 2.
Positive. I don't write positive here. I write
Negative.
this. Positive. Number E. 4 minus 6. Vatin. 2. Very good. Which one is big here? 6. Next to 6, what is it? Minus sign. See the sign bigger to the number. See the bigger number and then the sign of that number. If 4 was bigger, like example, so that means you would have taken. Okay, girls. So 4 minus 6, you get 4 minus 6, you get negative 2. Why negative 2? Because you take the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number means you must see before what is the sign. All right?
Miss, I didn't understand it.
What is 4? If there is nothing here, that means it is positive 4. Positive and negative will give you need to subtract it. I subtract, I got 2. I take the number, value of the bigger number, the sign of the bigger number. What is the sign of 6? Negative. So negative 2 is your answer. Now did you get it?
But we can't minus 4 minus 6.
That's what we are learning. We are learning that. That's why it's -2. Your answer goes in subtraction. If you see the number line, see. You have +4 means from 0 I go till 4. I stop here. Then -6 means I get back till -6. So how much it is? 2. -2, right? -2. Understood?
Okay.
We will do more questions, don't worry. All right. Now, the last one, please look at it carefully because it has more of signs. Look at it carefully, girls. -4, I copied same. This, what does it give? +6. -4 and +6. Malak? -4, -4 and +6, Malak. What is it?
-4 and +6 or negative
Yeah,
minus.
negative and positive. -4 and +6.
It will be 2 + 2.
Very good. But I don't write the positive sign. I just say that it is +2.
2.
Okay? It's 2.
Okay.
Why? They don't, it's understood. For minus, we write it. It's +2, right? This is not necessary to put in the answer. Okay? In the answer, if it's negative, we are writing. If it's positive, we just leave it and it's understood that this is positive. Okay? Like example, from when you were small, you learned.
Miss, so when it's positive, you don't need to put the sign, right?
Yes. Like example, I told you from when you were a kid, you learned 2 + 1 = 3. How do I know that 2 is also positive? Yes, it's understood. That this is positive and this is positive. It's understood.
Yeah, because like it's the number.
Come on. That's your turn. Question number 5. Sorry, question number 6. Please do it now. The key concept is just to write, leave it. The key concept, Yani, do you understand? No, that is just to understand, and I did that with you. Question number 6, do it now, and then I will do 5 and 6 later. 5 and 4 and
Question number 6 only?
Number 6, A, B, C, D, do it now by your own.
Okay.
Give some time, maybe 5 minutes. Please, girls.